Hi, good evening to all. Today, my name is Aarti. Today, I am here. Uh, I want to talk about a little story for all of you, that how to deal with some toxic people. So, first of all, I want to tell a little story. So, in certain company, there is an employee. One day he went to a HR head, and he said, "Sir, I want to quit this job." And then HR head replied, uh, "Why? Why do you want to quit this job?" Then employee then an employee replied, "Because the environment of this office area is so toxic. There are lots of toxic peoples who talking about another workers in negative way, and they are also gossiping while working, and I don't think I can handle this environment, so that's why I want to quit this job." Then HR head said to the employee, "So, okay, if you want to quit this job, so first of all, uh, I I have a request to you. Once you quit this job, I have a work for you, and I want request to you, do this job very sincerely." So then employee replied, "Okay, sir, I will do it." And he thought, it's just a matter of a few minutes, so I will do it. Then HR head said to the employee, "Please take a glass of water and make sure take a glass of water and walked around the office area without any spilling of single drop of water on the floor." Then employees replied, "Okay, sir, I will do it." After that, employee took a glass of water and he walked around the office area. After some times, then he complete his work. He went to the HR head, and he said, "Sir, I was done." So the HR head asked the employee, "When you were walked around the office area, did you see any employee? Did you see any employee gossips with each other, and any employee speaking badly with each other?" Then employee replied, "No, sir, I did not see anyone." Then then HR head further asked to the employee, "Okay, then did you see any employee looking at the another employee in a wrong way?" Then employee replied, "No, sir, I did not see anyone." Then HR head replied, "You know why? Because you were focusing on the glass of water. If and the same things goes with our life. If we are focus on our priorities, our works, we have not time to see the to see the environment around us. how someone behave around us, and the gossips, and any negativity around us. So whenever we go somewhere, we find a lots of toxic peoples, but the leave the job, and leave our works, and if you are a student, you leave your school and colleges, is not a solution of that problem. So you should always focus on your priorities and your works, so you will achieve your goals easily, and you also and you are not distracted by such peoples. And if you find that type of peoples, so
You can ignore them. Right? In case still you find toxic people,
you can ignore them, and you only focus on your priorities and yourself, on your duties, and you can easily avoid that type of peoples. That's it.